Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to learn all about autoresponders. Let's get started. It's time to have an in-depth look into autoresponders. We have tackled an overview of this topic in the previous chapter, but now let's discuss a more detailed lesson about it. Autoresponders is the key tool for any email marketer. Without an autoresponder or a service that lets you send emails, you won't be able to do any email marketing. Autoresponders serve three functions. First, it gets the people inside your email list. It lets you create and embed forms on your website. You can place it on your landing page, on your opt-in page, your squeeze page, or on pop-ups, wherever you want. You can easily get your potential customer's email ID. When the person submits their info, including their name and email address, they're going straight to the autoresponder. The autoresponder is going to get notified that someone has submitted their email ID, and it will save that information to its records of lists. When you create the opt-in form, you have the option to connect it to a list. The autoresponder is going to connect that to your list. Then more people can be added to your list. If you have a mail sequence, the first email in the sequence will be triggered. It will be sent right away since the target audience submitted their info using your opt-in forms that are linked to your autoresponder. Then all the arrangements that you have set in your sequence will be triggered according to the action you have set. And because the person is included in the list, you will be able to send them email messages again. Next, list management. It allows you to manage multiple lists that you have created inside your autoresponder. You can create separate lists for each product you are selling, then set a mail sequence for each list. For example, you are selling clothes for women and clothes for men. You can have a different list for each category. You'll have a mailing list dedicated for people who opted in your women's products page, and another mailing list for the people who opted in your men's products page. Next, you can use autoresponders to send a mail out. Using our previous example, you will have to send an email to all the people in your mailing list for women's clothes or the men's clothes, updating them with the new products that your store is offering. Once they receive that mail, they will be interested to know more about the product. They also have the option to click on the link inside the mail and be directed to your website where they can purchase the new product there. They also have the option to contact you through the email that you've sent if they do have questions regarding the product you are promoting to them. These are the functions that the autoresponders do. Now I want to show you a few autoresponders that are commonly used among email marketers today. Feel free to check each autoresponder so that you can decide what to use in your email marketing campaigns. It is actually advisable to use multiple autoresponders. There are times where one autoresponder might experience some technical issues or service delivery issues. It usually happens once a year, and you won't be able to control and know when it might happen. What we do in our business is to maintain our email marketing campaigns using 2 or 3 autoresponders and keep lists in each account. We can send emails using any of the autoresponders that we are using. You can do this too, so you have a backup plan whenever one autoresponder is not accessible or their system is down, having maintenance. If you only have one autoresponder and you rely on it to store the records of your mailing lists or mail sequence, your business will also go down with it since it is the only tool that your business is using. Let's look at some autoresponders that you can try. First is Aweber. Go to aweber.com and click on the free trial button to try it for 30 days. Click on the Features button to get an overview of the functions of Aweber that will be useful for your business. You'll see a thumbnail of their interface. Aweber is an AI-powered email template designer, allowing you to create landing pages, drag and drop down custom emails, choose from the templates library, and automate email content. Next is MailChimp. Go to MailChimp.com and sign up for a free account. It has a free plan offer, but you can only use it with email support for the first 30 days. You can integrate apps into MailChimp, like Canva. It helps you boost sales with landing pages and grow your audience using forms. Next is Get Response. Go to getresponse.com and click this button to try it for 30 days. You can easily stay in touch with your customers, creating personalized email marketing using free templates, and promote your business using landing pages to showcase your products. And you can also integrate a webinar software so that you can engage with your subscribers live. Next is Constant Contact. Go to constantcontact.com and click the Sign Up Now button to start your free month. Click on the Features button to get an overview of the platform. This autoresponder allows you to create marketing automation easily with a drag-and-drop editor. It also integrates e-commerce into your email marketing campaigns, helping your online store grow. It also helps you with contact management by uploading your existing contacts from different platforms. Next is Mail Engine. Mail Engine is a special autoresponder that you can download and install on your own server. It allows all new email marketers to manage their subscribers, create subscription lists, and monitor the email messages that we send. Now that you know all about autoresponders, we can now proceed to the next topic, a quick review of GetResponse. I'll see you there.